Canoe making in Dominica. In the Kalinago territory. The biggest canoe ever made. Setting a record. So we have our stones here to enlarge in our canoe. And we just finished building up all our wood and things inside our canoe to make it larger. And now we just clean up on the outside. Smoothing out the edges, all the rough edges on the outside. And we have our axe in our hand. Straighten it up nicely and make it round and nice. So we can pierce through those swells, those waves. Cut those waves in two, man. What do you mean, man? Like any FedEx. So this is a big canoe. A big canoe that the Kalinago people are making. It's a very big canoe. And you have 4 people working on it. It's a traditional boat that the Kalinago people use for fishing and for the sea expeditions, crossing from island to island. They will cross from one island to the next. As they would, settle in different islands in the Caribbean. They use a boat like this. They call it a canoe. Canoe making in Kalinago country in Dominica.